Have you ever wondered what women truly desire but never openly express? If you've ever felt like understanding women is a mystery, today's video is going to change that forever. We're about to unveil 7 powerful secrets that women value deeply but rarely talk about. These insights will not only strengthen your relationships, but also help you become a more confident and desirable partner. So stay with us until the very end, because you won't want to miss a single detail. Welcome back to the Stoic Route. If you haven't already, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our exclusive content. Trust me, what you'll learn today will change the way you connect with women on a whole new level. Many men believe that women are difficult to understand, but the truth is, women communicate their desires in subtle ways, through actions, gestures, and even silence. They may not always say exactly what they want, but if you pay attention, the clues are there. Women have unspoken needs and dreams that they hold close, not because they want to be difficult, but because they don't want to appear too obvious or vulnerable. In this video, we'll dive deep into these 7 secrets that women cherish but rarely express. Plus, at the end, I'll share a special bonus tip that will surprise you. Let's get started. Number 1. The magic of a thoughtful touch. Imagine this: dimmed lights, the soft scent of essential oils, and your hands gently massaging her shoulders. A good massage is more than just a relaxing gesture. It's a way of building emotional intimacy. Many women love being pampered this way, but they rarely ask for it. When you take the initiative, it makes them feel cared for, appreciated, and deeply connected to you. A simple back rub after a long day can create a lasting impact and strengthen your bond. Number 2. The art of subtle flirting. Flirting isn't just about using cheesy pickup lines. Women appreciate confidence and authenticity. A lingering glance, a warm smile, or a sincere compliment about something unique to her. These are the things that make a woman feel truly special. A well-placed joke, a playful tease, or even a little mystery in your words can ignite attraction. Women enjoy feeling desired, and when you flirt respectfully, it builds excitement and keeps the connection alive. Number 3. The hidden power of hair touching. For many women, their hair is a big part of their identity. Running your fingers through her hair at the right moment, perhaps during a deep conversation or while watching a movie together, can create an intimate, comforting connection. This simple gesture shows affection and care, making her feel more emotionally connected to you. Number 4. The protective gesture that speaks volumes. A small but powerful move is placing your hand on her lower back as you guide her through a crowd. This shows that you're confident, protective, and attentive without being overbearing. It's a silent way of saying, "I've got you." Women feel secure and cherished when a man subtly demonstrates his presence and care through these small yet meaningful actions. Number 5. The desire for a man who stands up for her. Women deeply appreciate a man who will defend them, not through aggression, but through calm and firm assertiveness. Whether it's standing up for her in a social situation or simply supporting her emotionally when she feels unheard, this creates a strong sense of trust. She wants to know that she's with someone who respects her and won't allow others to mistreat her. Number 6. The power of expressing your thoughts about her. This one might surprise you, but telling a woman that she's on your mind, especially in unexpected moments, makes a huge impact. A simple message saying, "I had a dream about you last night," or "I was just thinking about you," can make her feel incredibly special. Women love knowing they hold a place in your thoughts, and small, heartfelt expressions like this can make her feel truly valued. Number 7. The appeal of a well-groomed beard. Believe it or not, many women find a well-maintained beard incredibly attractive. It symbolizes masculinity, maturity, and confidence. However, the key here is well-groomed. A rugged yet tidy beard strikes the perfect balance between strength and sophistication. If you have facial hair, keeping it neat and conditioned can significantly enhance your appearance and appeal. Bonus tip: the hug that says it all. Women love strong, reassuring hugs. When you embrace her in a way that makes her feel safe and protected, it creates an emotional bond like no other. Want to make it even more special? Add a gentle kiss on the forehead. This simple yet deeply meaningful gesture shows care, security, and affection in a way that words often can't. Now that you know these secrets, it's time to put them into action. The little things matter, and when you pay attention to what women truly appreciate, you'll find that your relationships become stronger and more fulfilling. Which of these insights resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Thank you for watching The Stoic Route. Until next time, stay confident, stay kind, and keep growing.